Hi, I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Show Me the Way by Peter Frampton. This is a great campfire song. You can play it on an acoustic guitar, and it's got lots of loud ringing strings. Okay, so let's get started. So this is going to start out on a D chord. You do the second fret on the G strings, second fret on the highest E string, and then the third fret on the B string. And from there, you're going to lay your first finger across the G, the B, and the E string on the second fret. Then you're going to go to this B chord, which is a bar on the second fret. Second fret, fourth fret on the D, fourth fret on the G, third fret down here on the B string, and then the E string is going to be on the second fret. So from that B chord, you're going to go up to this B flat. You're going to bar the first fret, then you're going to lay this finger across these three strings here, and you're going to slide that up to the third fret. So it does that twice like that. Then when he starts singing, it basically just plays the same chords over, but it plays them, you play them twice as many times. So it just goes. And then it goes to an A chord. For that A chord, you're just going to take your first finger and bar across the lower four strings. And then you're going to go to a G. G chord is going to be third fret on the E string, second fret on the A. Then you're going to take these two fingers and put them on the third fret of the B and the E string. So you're going to go G, A, B. It's the same B chord you used earlier, where you're going to bar the second fret. So that's about all there is to it. It's a great, fun song to play with an acoustic guitar. Lots of loud strings and some good basic chords for anybody to learn. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll bring you some more videos. If you have any ideas for some songs you'd like to learn, put it in the comments below and we'll make a lesson for it, okay? Thank you and have a good day.